how to make 11 labs speak softly. Okay, so come here, click on voices and choose any voice you want. I'm gonna go ahead and choose my own voice I generated. So I'll come here and click on use. Now let me show you what this sounds like with before me doing this setting. Okay, look at this. Today is a beautiful day and I hope you appreciate it too. Okay, make sure your model is V2 11 multilingual. Stability, I put it about 50%, similarity 80%. Now style exaggeration. This is the most important part. You want to increase it a little bit and you're going to keep it at least at 80%, especially if you're doing a shorter text. You can go ahead and do it a bit more exaggerated. This will make it more softer. Or if it is a long text, you can do it at 50%. Since this is short, I will do 80% and I will add these arrows and say softly. Okay, this will give it a tone. Now, look at this. This will not be said by 11 labs because it is in the arrow direction keys, right? Now let's generate this and see what it sounds like. Today is a beautiful day, and I hope you appreciate it too. As you can see there, guys, it starts speaking more softly according to the style. Really that easy and simple.